Hi, I'm Brittany from the Verb Learning Services, and I'm really excited to share with you a new opportunity that I have coming up for English language learners. Starting in January 2021, I'm going to be offering a free online book club for English language learners. This is for students who are intermediate or advanced level and are looking to communicate and connect with other language learners around the world. It's a great opportunity to improve your English reading, vocabulary, and speaking skills. The group is going to take place via Facebook. It will be a private group, and that way you can contribute whenever is convenient for you. You will receive a PDF of the book, or you can borrow your own copy from the library or buy one on Amazon, Google Play, or wherever you buy your books. So you're probably wondering which book we're going to read. The book that we've chosen for our first round of the English Language Learners Book Club is called Wonder by R.J. Palacio. This is a great book that is about a little boy named Augie who was born with a severe facial difference and about his experiences starting school in 5th grade for the first time. What you will need to do in order to participate in this book club is to read one assigned section of the book per week. The book is broken up into 8 sections, so the goal will be to read one of those weekly, and then there will be a different student assigned to each week who is responsible for creating the discussion question. At any time throughout the duration of the book club, you are welcome to regularly interact with other students' posts. We will be getting started on Sunday, January 10th, and I expect it will go for about 8 weeks, but we will be flexible depending on the pace that everyone is reading at. There's a little bonus here. There is a movie adaptation of this book, Wonder, so you can go ahead and watch the movie before or after you're done reading to support your comprehension. So how is this different from other book clubs? Well, really the goal here is to create a community of learners that's going to be moderated by a certified and experienced teacher. I will be providing ongoing feedback and compiling vocabulary lists, grammar lessons, and other resources for you to support you in your English language learning. So if you would like to join us for this awesome opportunity, you can reach out to me on Facebook at the Verb Learning Services, or send me an email at theverblearning@gmail.com, and I will set you up with all the details that you need to get started. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.